So for this last slide, you have the opportunity to talk about things that you're excited about for next year. So if you're a senior, that might be going to college or moving to another city or moving out of your parents' house or staying with your parents and driving to school. Whatever your plans are for after high school, we would love to hear about those here. For everyone else, this should probably look like, what are you excited for next school year? So there are some examples on this slide that comes after. Seeing your friends and teachers again in person. Wow, that'll be crazy. Playing a sport, taking a specific class, starting IB classes, or becoming a senior, right? There's a variety of things that you could be excited about. And so we would love to see that in your slide here. So what you will do is you will go up to Insert, Text Box, and then you will draw the text box however big that you want it. And then you're going to want to select the blank space there so that you can go ahead and change your text from black to white so you can see it as you type. And you might say, I am excited about, and fill that in. If you have pictures that you would like to insert on this slide, we'd also love to see those. Or if you don't, but you'd like to find something on the Google, you can totally do that as well. As with any of these slides, if you have questions or are confused about something, make a private comment on Google Classroom so your advisory teacher can help you. Good luck, and we're really excited to see your presentation.